look at that, very thick. Okay, so let's get going. And so this morning, here's what we're gonna do. This morning, we are going to play with water temperature on Barista Pro, okay? And by the way, the one thing I like about Barista Pro, I've been playing with for the last few days. Obviously, fast startup time, but better yet, if your water is low, the light is blinking, okay? And at the same time, if you want to pull those shot, they won't let you pull the shot. So I mean, I thought that's pretty clever. Not like Barista Express, okay? Okay, so meantime, I'm gonna put some water in it. So you hear that beeping noise? Yeah. As you can see, the light went away. And then now I can actually pull the shot, okay? Let's do some dummy shots here. I think that's one thing. Yeah, I thought that's pretty clever. So let's get going. So this morning I'm going to show you guys how to change water temperature. I mean, extremely easy process. Here we go. I got menu button here. And simply move the dial. So right now I'm set at +2. So you know what? Let's go. So I'm going to scroll to other way. It's a default setting. Let's do that, okay? Let's start with the default setting. Once you click it, then we need to press the button right here, highlights. There's the indicator lighter. Now everything is default. So click here. Shots. That's a custom, which means like program mode. We are going to touch that next couple of days. So now we are at default temperature here. Okay. I'm just gonna go back to menu. Okay, so let's find out what's the temperature like. Here's what we're gonna do. So the default temperature on Barista Pro is around 200 degrees or so, ±5 degrees. So let's, you know what? Let's take the temperature here. 160, okay. I know the 160 degree from the bottom. So I know that portafilter is not, that's why I use the bottomless portafilter. So we are going to capture all the water. But if I, hold on a second. The water is hot. So 160, even this 160, we measured it, but come from the group head, it might be, around 195 to 200 degrees there. So now, so this is default temperature. So let's say if you want to bring up the temperature by 2 degrees. So you can only go 2, +2, and +4, okay? So if you want to do that, go to the menu on the Barista Pro. We are going to use this dial to temperature. Press once, and then we're gonna go +2. You know what? Let's go +4, okay? Just for fun. And press the dial in. So now we are at +4. Okay, so earlier we got around 167. We are at 170. Yeah, we reach at 170. So I mean, obviously the water temperature is working properly, but again, I don't know exact the water temperature coming from the group head. Appears to be around 200 degrees, 195 and 200. So which means by 2 degree increments, so +2 and +4. So here's what we're gonna do. Let's see here. What's the tasting notes? Flower, spice, and caramel. Okay, it's gonna be, sounds wonderful. It's coming from Mexico as well. So this single origin beans from Mexico. The roasting level is medium, more like medium to light roast. So what I'm gonna do is I already measured that. We're gonna do 21 grams. Yeah, it still seems fast though. Okay, hold on. I'm shooting for around 40 grams. You know what? It's not bad. Actually, it's pretty good. I got 30 seconds, around 42 grams. So a shot looks really good. Man, it's like silky smooth. Okay. Smells really good. Cheers. Not quite there yet. I think I want to slow down a little bit.
He said you'll notice rich acidity
Yeah.
like a green apple and caramel.
You know what? Hold on a second. Hold on. I can definitely taste the green apple. Okay. That's kind of like sour green apple. Yeah, right there. Yeah. And then what else? Caramel to the end of it. You know what? I think I'm gonna up my temperature. Okay. I think I'm gonna do one more time. I'm gonna up my temperature to +4 this time. Let's do that. Let's go up to +4. Barista Pro set pre-infusion set at 5 seconds. So man, look at that, very thick. Okay, now everything come together nicely. I'm looking for again around 40 grams. I got 40 grams at 35 seconds, so that looks fantastic. Man, that's really rich. Actually, it's more like kind of like honey, right? Dark honey. Cheers. Wow. Okay, so green apple. Okay, I can definitely taste the green apple, like just kicks you. I mean, I can definitely taste the green apple. Temperature is right. I think +4 is good.